Hi there everybody, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always are enjoying the videos. As per tradition on the channel, it's time for the Christmas bonus. Welcome back everybody, this is Cutting Room Floor Volume 7. If you've not seen this series before, essentially it's all the observation clips, silly stuff and bits that wouldn't normally fit into a normal video are all here. If you've seen these before, you know exactly what to expect. I just want to take this opportunity to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much to everyone that's liked, commented and subscribed on the videos this year. Your support makes it all worthwhile. This one's for you guys, everyone. Sit back and enjoy.
Ho, ho, ho!
Around that corner, 1, 2, 3.
I'll put next to Gay ST. I'm so immature. Where are you going? Alright. Why go around Arsenal Avenue roundabout when you can just go straight over it? Okay.
Well done.
Nice head out that way.
Yeah. Like a dog.
Arsenal. Or suppose, why don't we talk about Wolves as a team that could actually get Champions League football?
Oncoming vehicle? What the shit? Oncoming vehicle?
And the hairdressers, I'm like, oh my god.
Unless, do you want me to have a quick look at the Rangers website, see if they've got something similar?
Is this a bus stop? I don't think that's a scheduled stop. Why have we stopped? Let someone off? Okie dokie. Not a designated stop, but just NCT doing NCT things. What the f are you doing?
That's what I used to do in my old.
Is that Street View?
Are we on it?
We're on Street View.
Twice! You're on it 2 times now.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Lent on it, actually.
He leant on it while turning, sorry. He didn't mean to beep at you.
I've been warned, and it looks like adorned on the actual doorway there is bits and pieces of things that have been stolen. So here we go. See how much of the car we're going to end with.
Oh my god, look at the one in front. That's a young one as well. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Around here. But it's a real mixed bag, and not all from one continent. Prepare yourselves for the ultimate game of Animal I Spy. Eyes peeled and let's...
Nice parking. New Defender. Still think it's gross. Not a fan, unfortunately.
Oh, pigeon. There's still one that I might...
Just drive, just drive. That's right, okay.
Go towards 46 Lincoln. Do you just flash your ticket?
I guess so.
You can't get that way now. Okay. Is there a roundabout I can turn around at?
Well, to be honest, I wish I hadn't bought that 14 quid ticket. I didn't even look at it.
Not even bothered. Updated it.
What?
I put a moan out on social media saying the grammatical, you say don't phone when driving, and I said shouldn't that say don't phone whilst driving? I put it on social media, obviously someone's listened to it.
Come on.
Oh, this is naughty. Oh, there's a courier dropping off, it's blocking the road. That's clever, isn't it? Nice tight road, you know. Park your van, slap your hazards on. Standard, isn't it? Inconvenience everybody else because you're going to drop a parcel off. You know, you could use part of that curb to your left that's nice and big, or maybe a parking bay when it isn't occupied by a car. You know, there's also an option on the left. Just a nice little bay you can stick your van in. You know, that would have been an idea. No, yeah, this is for comedic effect, this passive aggressive mode, for sure, but still, come on, Mr. Courier Man, use your brain. did they overtake somebody? That black Audi. Oh, he's tanking. Average 30 down here.
The aggressive grunt from the car.
Rubbish.
He was being pissy though, that's alright. You're so close, you might as well get in close so you get the slow right.
Some time and money and effort into his cube, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Ooh, a rather lovely blue VXR there.
Crowded in closed space, I will wear a mask.
Is there a point at which the government will say this is too many people going into hospital, we are going to put restrictions back on?
Bus car park.
Nice little Ford.
Can't see any pay machines there.
Oh, I can't either.
They are.